how to upload your image to Canvas so that it shows inline in a discussion prompt. So we have a picture that we'd like to upload here. And the fastest way I found to do this is using an old feature called Save for Web Legacy. So we go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. And then it opens up this interface here. So we won't go too deep in the woods here, but you can see, oh, there's our image and it's appearing at its actual pixel size. And so we have it set to 800 by 800 pixels, which is good. If this were, 4,000 pixels, that would be probably too big to put on a discussion prompt. And see, on here, you'd have to scroll around to see it. So if you've come to this dialog and you see, oh my gosh, my image is too big, you can always resize it here if you need to. Discussion prompts, you want them to be probably no larger than 800 pixels wide. So we'll set that at 800, and that was the original size, so we're great. The next thing is we come up to the preset menu here. And there's several presets, but the ones that are going to matter to us are JPEG High or PNG 24. And you can test either one and see if it has a visible change. But the thing that we're looking for is down here. It says the name of the format, JPEG, 91 kilobytes. If we try PNG 24, it's about the same size. The nice thing about PNG is that it's a lossless format. So if the sizes are pretty much the same, you could choose PNG. If PNG was like going to make a 4 megabyte file, then maybe we would do the JPEG High instead. JPEG is good for photographic material. PNGs are good for material where there's a lot of a single color in one space. It's just better at compressing those types of images. So now that we have this, we'll press Save. And notice it puts dashes wherever we had spaces in the file name. It's because that's how the web works. They don't like spaces in file names. Then we'll hit Save. And let's go over to Canvas. All right, so I have a response to a discussion prompt. And rather than clicking on the Attach button here, I'm going to click on the Images button. And I'm going to choose to upload an image. And then I usually just click on this, and then it brings up the dialog. Make sure you're not uploading the PSD. Upload the graphic file that you created. And obviously, the way you can tell them apart easily is this one doesn't have spaces in the name. Also, it ends with PNG or JPEG. So don't upload the PSD. It probably won't work. And it shows you a preview of what it is. For reasons of accessibility, you can put in alt text. So we'll say, hey, you. Yes, you. Have a great day. That is fully optional. However, for people with limited vision, this might be helpful if you add some alt text. Otherwise, you can click this decorative image button. And then let's see if there are any other options. Embed image, that's what we want selected instead of display text link. We want it to be embedded so people can look at the discussion post and immediately see your image. And then just hit Submit. And I'm running my computer at a very low resolution, but this is only 800 pixels by 800 pixels. And so if I press Reply, it will be embedded in this post. And so people will be able to see my wonderful artworks.